What happens when you build a heavy-duty commercial fast food kitchen directly above a multi-story building's main electrical room? You get a massive liability. Welcome to a real-world project breakdown by Synthesis VDC, based right here in Chennai. Recently, we were hired by the lead architect of a major commercial restaurant build-out. This architect didn't just design the space, they also held the long-term maintenance contract for the facility. They had a critical problem. Once the concrete is poured and the walls are tiled, how do you know exactly where the hidden water lines are? In this video, we are breaking down why standard 2D drawings weren't enough, and how we used a highly controlled 3D scanning workflow to solve their MEP nightmare. Let's dive in. If you work in commercial construction, you know the reality. Things change on site. Pipes shift, conduits get rerouted around obstacles, and the original 2D MEP design drawings quickly become outdated. The real danger starts when the plaster and commercial tiles go up. That complex maze of plumbing and high-voltage wiring completely disappears. For our client who has to maintain this building for years to come, trying to troubleshoot a plumbing issue or drill a hole to mount new kitchen equipment later on becomes a dangerous guessing game. You simply cannot afford to guess when you are dealing with water lines sitting directly over a main electrical room. Since LiDAR doesn't have X-ray vision, timing is everything. Our team at Synthesis VDC deployed to the site during the critical pre-plaster phase. Now, while mobile SLAM technology is incredibly fast, running long, continuous scans across multiple floors can introduce spatial drift, often called the banana effect. Because we strictly provide a level of accuracy under 1 centimeter, we couldn't risk any spatial warping. So, we used a highly controlled batch scanning methodology. Instead of one long walk, we divided the site into targeted segments. We scanned the main kitchen in under 5 minutes, the dining area in a couple of minutes, the core staircase, and finally, the basement electrical room in short, precise bursts. By merging these segmented scans on the back end, Synthesis VDC completely eliminated any drift. The result was a zero-error, perfectly aligned 3D point cloud tying the isolated floors together. The immediate win for the architect was safety, but this reality capture workflow delivered 2 massive long-term advantages. First, uninterrupted schedules. Because we batched our scans so efficiently, we captured the entire site without halting the plasterers or electricians. The general contractor didn't lose a single day of progress. Second, future-proofing. Fast food kitchens upgrade heavy equipment constantly. By handing over this exact 3D point cloud, the architect's in-house team can easily build out a model whenever they need it. They can plan future equipment changes digitally, guaranteeing new fryers or hoods won't clash with old water lines. Zero exploratory demolition required. At the end of the day, 2D drawings show you what was planned. 3D scanning shows you what was actually built. For this project, having the exact point cloud data means total confidence for the maintenance team and 0 future drilling disasters. Don't leave your hidden infrastructure to chance. If you need precise, reliable reality capture for your next commercial project, reach out to us at Synthesis VDC. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other case studies to see how we are transforming commercial construction in Chennai and beyond.